prospect saying yes to your offer? Is it your price? Is it your pitch? Or is it something deeper than that? Most entrepreneurs believe that they need to work harder, but that could be farther than the truth. You might be missing 3 things that help people say yes. So in today's video, if you want to learn how to close more deals, if you want to learn how to close bigger deals, I'm going to share 3 simple things that you can implement in your business today. I want you to know this. An offer made always outperforms an offer not made. What do I mean by that? Well, in December, I have a colleague in cybersecurity, and she shared with me, Althea, I want to increase my visibility. I want to get more confident in camera. And I said, oh, really? I have a colleague who helps people do just that. In fact, I invested in her content creation tour a few years ago, and she just shared an offer into her list. I'll forward it to you. I think you would benefit from it. And my colleague in cybersecurity said, no, well, actually, that sounds fantastic, but I'm interested in working with someone else. And I said, okay, well, just ignore the email that I forwarded you. And she explained why she wanted to work with someone else. And I said, fantastic, go with her. Well, 2 days before my friend, who's a communication strategist, before her training began, my friend in cybersecurity texted me and was like, is her program still open? Because I'm interested. The person I thought I wanted to work with never got back to me. And I said, yeah, it's open. I checked and I said, yeah, she has a few more spots. You better sign up today. I really believe you would get benefit from it. And I sold her the program because I believed in it. And she bought it. But what would happen if my friend, the communication strategist, never sent the offer and never sent it to me, right? What if she said, oh, I don't want to feel pushy and I don't want to come off as this. And she didn't believe what I've been sharing with you guys, that selling is serving. Then she may not have gotten, well, she wouldn't have, right? I wouldn't have been able to share that offer with my friend in cybersecurity, and she wouldn't have gotten a new client. An offer made always outperforms an offer not made. And so if you have been struggling and hesitating whenever it's time to sell, whether that's when you're on the stage, whether you're on Zoom, during your challenges, during your boot camps, when you're out to coffee, when you're at the spa, I want you to remember, I want you to write this down. Why do I want you to write this down? Because I want you to reprogram your brain on the unconscious and subconscious level that an offer made always outperforms an offer not made. Let's get into the 3 things that you may be missing that will help people say yes. Number 1, I want you to empower them to decide. Who's them? Your prospective clients and customers. And how do you empower them to decide? You share your offer with them. And you empower them to make a decision. Whether that decision is yes or that decision is no, it's not a problem. You're taking the onus off of you and you're putting it back to them for them to decide if they want their life to be changed for the better through your product or services. Now, I know you may be used to making decisions for other people. In sales, no, ma'am. You're going to empower other people to decide for themselves by sharing your offer. So I want you to what? Empower them to decide whether they want to invest in themselves through your offer. And you empower them to decide by selling. Remember, selling is serving. It's not something you do to them. It's something you do for someone else. And selling is leading. You're leading them to make a decision. So I want you to empower them to decide by sharing your offer. Number 2, I want you to give them a deadline. Yeah, I want you to give them a deadline on when they need to decide on whether they're going to say yes or no. Why is that? As human beings, we procrastinate. And your ideal client or customer, they don't need 10 weeks, 10 years, 10 months. They already know that what they want to buy and what they need. Again, your ideal client or customer. And so you're helping them by giving them a deadline. Now listen, we see this all the time. Macy has 3-day sales. Target has 30% off boots for the next 3 days. Anthropologie has, candles 30% off for 3 days. Now, yes, we know they'll, stop it for a few days and create a new sale, whether it's 20% off, 10% off, they're looking at their analytics. The point I'm making is we love and we buy when we know we have 72 hours to make a decision. This is human psychology, which is sales psychology. So let's work with it so it works for us. So what? Number one, empower them to decide. Number two, give them a deadline on your offer. When the offer expires, when the price is at this price point, right? When the bonuses disappear, give them a deadline. That is, if you want to close more deals and close bigger deals this year. And then the last one, my love, this is so huge. I want you to detach. I want you to detach from the results. And I'm not just saying you detach from it in the words that you're saying, like, I don't care if you don't buy. No, energetically, emotionally, spiritually, detach from the results. If that they buy, that's fantastic. They've invested in themselves through your offer, and you are going to help them solve their number one problem that's keeping them up at night, or meet the need that they've been desiring quicker, faster, easier, more effectively than they could on their own. And if they don't, that's not a problem. Your life is not going to change, right? And why is that? Let's talk about it biblically. Number one, God is your source for wealth. Your clients, your customer, your contracts are just a resource, right? Yes, people have to go in their pockets and their investment accounts and their credit cards and their wallets and their purses to pay you to invest in themselves or your products and services. But ultimately, God is your source. We know that the Bible says one plants, one waters, and God creates the increase. And so, as in the Bible, this is a principle in your sales. You're going to show up confidently, bold, authentically. You're going to empower them to make a decision by making the offer. You're going to give them a deadline when the offer disappears, when the bonuses disappear, when the price goes up. And then you're going to detach yourself from the results, right? Because your identity is not in whether they say yes or not. Your worth is not tied to that, right? Your identity is in Christ. And so you're going to create healthy, emotional, spiritual, energetically boundaries, and you're going to detach from the results. Listen, when you start incorporating these three things in your sales process, you're going to close more deals and you're going to close bigger deals. And so these are, three things that I know are going to absolutely help you. Type in the chat, like if you're ready to incorporate them. And for those who want to go to the next level, I'm inviting you in a 5-day process that is going to change how you think about sales and change how you think about your value so you can grow your sales faster without working harder, without working more hours. And that's in my Grow Your Sales Challenge. It's my 5-day live sales immersive training, and it's amazing. Go ahead and go to the comment section so you can enroll today. So we're going to talk about on day one how you can change the way you think about sales by unlearning the 9 biggest sales lies that are keeping you under monetized, and so you can sell your way to wealth. Day 2, we're going to talk about how you can be found by those who value your expertise. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to be found by people who are ready to buy what you're selling? You said yes, you're going to absolutely love day 2. Day 3 is all about selling your value, right? And sales secrets, right? So I'm going to share with you more sales secrets, more sales psychology, more sales strategies so that you can close more sales easier, quicker, faster, more efficiently. If you've ever struggled, when it's time to sell, you've frozen and you want to learn sales secrets to go to your next level of sales confidence, day 3 is yours. Day 4 is all about multiplication. I'm going to share how you can 10x your fees without losing clients. I'm going to share the same proven strategies that worked for Dr. O, which helped her to 10x her fees with the same clients in under 3 years. It's a game changer, and you can do it where you are selling high ticket offers, even if you have a small audience. And then day 5, we bring it all together. This is closing secrets. I'm going to share with you how you can close a high ticket client in a single sales conversation. This is the same thing that worked for Dr. June, Dr. Brandolin. I have a lot of doctors that I work with. But you're going to be able to have those big paydays that you see others happening online. That is when you join the Grow Your Sales Challenge. 5 days live sales immersive training. Listen, there are 3 ticket levels. So I just want to share with you quickly. Go to the sales page right now. There is the general admission. It's a live training every day for 5 days. Amazing, right? And you're going to have a workbook so you can take action immediately. Listen, I know you're an action taker. So you are going to be able to have the opportunity to create sales during the 5 days. And there's a workbook that will make it really easy for you. The next level is our VIPs. Like, wave at me, give me a heart emoji if you're a VIP. You know you're a VIP, right? This is for you if you want to spend an extra hour with me behind the scenes. So before the live training, you will join our VIP only Zoom room, and you're going to get a behind the scenes and my business, what we do with sales, with my offers. And you're going to learn from the questions that are asked by the Platinum VIP ticket holders. You'll also get at the VIP level instant access to sales training that's going to help you change how you think about sales so that you can raise your prices, sell at a higher level, and make more money doing what you love to do. Last ticket level, which some would say is the place to be, is the Platinum VIPs. Listen, are you someone who likes a more personalized experience? Are you someone who likes feedback, clear, direct feedback and strategies when you're working with a coach or consultant? Would you like for me to provide feedback on your offers, on your sales strategies? If you said yes, then the Platinum VIP is for you. Again, you and I will be together for 2 hours for 5 days. It's amazing. And the first hour is where you can ask me your specific sales questions and get direct, personalized, customized feedback and strategies from me. So go ahead and click on the link today to join us in our next Grow Your Sales Challenge. I can't wait to see you there. Let me know in the comments if you have signed up, and I will see you there. Okay, until then, take care. God bless. Love you. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we release a new video. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Go to altheamcintyre.com to get your free training on the 7 biggest sales mistakes that keep you from 7 figures.